You probably remember the last two episodes of Ben 10 Alien Force, both split into two parts and called The Final Battle. Right at the start, Albedo shows off his new omnitrix to Ben and explains how this version can evolve each alien into its ultimate form. Just watching Humungosaur transform already gives you chills, especially with that fight scene that really showed how much more powerful Ultimate Humungosaur is compared to the regular one. That was the first bait. The second one happens at the very end of part 2, right after Vilgax's ship sinks and explodes, when Ben says, "I'll have to get used to this new watch." That line makes us even more curious about how Ben will handle the Super Omnitrix in the next series. After all, even though Albedo was just an intern with a few screws loose, you'd expect at least some new features in the Super Omnitrix besides just evolving aliens. The series ends, and then Ben 10, Ultimate Alien, is announced, and that's when things start to go downhill. The first problem shows up right away in the first season. It focuses entirely on the 5 Andromeda aliens, and you start wondering, wait, where are the Ultimates? And you'd be right to ask that because Alien Force ended with a huge setup for the Ultimate forms, making it seem like we'd get to see Ben struggling with them, dealing with their consequences, and figuring out how to control them. Would they be unstable? Would they have drawbacks? Would there be an actual story arc around them? I mean, all the marketing for Ultimate Alien was focused on Ultimate Humungosaur. Then, the first season ends, the second and third seasons roll in, and out of over 50 episodes, only 8 aliens actually get ultimate forms. And out of those, only Ultimate Echo Echo and Ultimate Swampfire actually evolve in any meaningful way. The rest? Just color swaps, a few got bigger, and some learned to talk. The second major issue? The Super Omnitrix has 0 new features. It just keeps malfunctioning when scanning. So, yeah, we got baited again. And the worst part? Ben never even tries to understand how this new Omnitrix works. In Alien Force, at least he mentioned needing a manual for the recalibrated Omnitrix. He would even ask the Omnitrix questions in multiple episodes, like in War of the Worlds Part 1 and 2. But in Ultimate Alien, we have no clue if this watch even has the same old features. Can it still protect the user? Unlock aliens without scanning? Change shape? Recalibrate? Or is it just broken? Because the only thing the Super Omnitrix does the whole series is put Ben in danger. And get this, back in classic Ben 10, even the prototype Omnitrix, which the show's creators confirmed was buggy, drained power fast, and had barely any aliens unlocked, still helped 10-year-old Ben out of trouble way more than the Super Omnitrix ever did. And to make it worse, Kid Ben was super curious. He was always messing with the Omnitrix, trying to figure it out. Meanwhile, 16-year-old Ben in Ultimate Alien? He just seems lost and aimless. If you made it this far, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one.